go to the tummy. Then I'm the warrior.
Here you go. Here, sweetie, here.
I'm the warrior.
Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, you put it on the track. Ready?
I'm tired now.
I'm not sure how in the world this comes off. Here's the tree.
And this one comes off.
Because it's probably, you have to put it, you know why? Because it has to go this way.
Oh.
See? If it doesn't go in by one, you just turn it around.
Gentle, Stuart, gentle.
Okay, hold it.
Then I go there. I just want to
go through here. Sorry. Don't cry, don't cry. You know, don't cry. Don't worry because
oh, look at that wonderful train.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Can I see your yellow car, Stuart?
You have to call Danny Stewart and tell him how wonderful the train is with the yellow car.
Okay, wait. Gentle, honey, gentle. There.
Oh, boy.
No, you can't stand on it.
That's the perfect place for him, yeah?
But he's still too young for the rest.
Choo-choo. What does the train say, Stuart?
Choo-choo.
And now I'm trying to undo this one, but this isn't okay.
What is it, a battery?
No, it's a log, but I can't get it out of the bag.
It's a what?
A log.
A log.